Hey everyone, Dave Moorhead here. Sorry I won't be able to give you any recipes for a while because I can't get to a kitchen. I'm back as a musical director on a cruise ship, and I think our safety officer would highly frown upon if I set up a kitchen in my cabin. So I look forward to seeing you when I get back off the ship. But until then, I wanted to give you this very important information about vegan mayo. Some of the recipes on my channel call for vegan mayo. Unfortunately, vegan mayo is not that healthy for you, so I wanted to give you a healthier version of vegan mayo so you can still enjoy the recipes. This is one I found online. I hope you like it. Most store-bought vegan mayo is made of a lot of oils. Oil is a highly refined and processed food. As far as calorie density goes, oil is the most calorie-dense food there is. During the processing of oil, virtually all of the nutrients and beneficial phytochemicals have been stripped away, leaving you with a product that is essentially a fat extract. After all that processing, you're left with a food item with 100% calories from fat. No, thank you. For many years, we've been led to believe that certain oils are heart healthy and good for us. The sad fact is, this has more to do with marketing than it does with the actual truth. Some of the vegan mayo I was buying and using in these recipes on this channel had a lot of oil in it. When I ate it, I gained weight and my cholesterol went up. Again, no thank you. I like using mayo in recipes, so I needed to find a healthier version. I found this recipe online and it contains no oil. I will use this from now on. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Here are the ingredients. I will also put the ingredients down below the video. You might not be able to find kala namak at your local grocery stores. I found mine at an Indian grocery store, but if you can't find it there, you can always order it online. Place cashews in boiling water for 15 minutes to make them soft. Drain the cashews and add to blender. Add remaining ingredients to the blender, put the lid on and blend, stopping to scrape down the sides as needed. Blend until mixture is smooth and creamy. Transfer from blender to a container. Keeps well in the fridge for 5 to 7 days. Congrats, you just made a much healthier vegan mayo!